Sometimes there are clear liability cases, a rear-end collision case, what have you, where catastrophic injury has occurred. The insurance company knows that if the injured party's family goes to see a lawyer, they're likely going to have to pay out more money. And so they will immediately go to the injured party's family, frequently while they're still in the hospital, and don't really want to deal, aren't in a state of mind to deal with it. But nevertheless, the insurance company will frequently go to the hospital, to the family members, and say, you don't need a lawyer. And sometimes they actually say that. Other times they just imply that, you know, if you get a lawyer, they're going to want to be paid and going to take a lot of the money out of this and so on and so forth. And I just want you to know right now, if you don't need to see a lawyer, we're going to pay you 100% of our insured's insurance policy coverage. Well, that's all well and good, except for the fact it's not the full truth. And it upsets me when I hear that people have accepted that representation from the insurance company adjuster or whoever it might be from the insurance company and have not gone to see a lawyer and have signed releases and accepted that and waived the rights that their loved one who really wasn't in a position to make that decision, but they've already done that, and it's really troubling to see people then lose the opportunity to maximize the dollars that are available. I don't know of any ethical, experienced, good lawyers who would ever charge somebody a fee, even a contingency fee, out of money that the insurance company has already promised to the injured party or the injured party's family. And we have had people who have had second thoughts about accepting that offer from that insurance company to pay 100 cents on the dollar or the maximum policy limits. We have had people come to us and say, should we do this? And I'm so glad when they do come to us, because the first thing we tell them is, please understand, we'll help you and see if there's other insurance coverage available or anything else, but we will never charge you any fee out of the monies that the insurance companies have already offered to you. What we will do is look and see if there are any other opportunities for fees, any other opportunity for recovery for your loved one that we can discover that most people don't know about. And there can be third-party liabilities, for example, that people don't know about. There can be what's called respondeat superior, where there's a whole level of insurance on top of the one that the adjuster may have already offered you. And that's what we will look for, is to see if there's other coverages, there are other coverages available so that we can, again, maximize the recovery for your loved one and thereby improve their quality of life for the rest of their lives.